Were you asleep, Torio?
No, Carding, I wasn't. Sit down.
So, you've been sick.
Where did
I
you
didn't
see-
know until Mariana told me.
Where did you see her?
She passed by the house a while ago.
Don't let that woman alarm you again.
But she has a reason to be worried.
Your whole body is on fire. How did you get that fever?
I don't know. I guess it is on my tiny wound. But nothing to worry about.
It is something serious. I sent Marina to the dispensary.
What for?
I told her to ask the doctor to come and look you over.
Are you dreaming?
But you don't have to pay her anything. She's the public doctor.
Maybe if I go there.
She must come.
Doc, I need your help. My husband is dying.
Sorry, I can't go with you. The hospital needs me.
Please, Doc, please.
I'm sorry.
But will she come? Nobody comes to me. Do you remember that house I had before?
I remember.
When it was burning, did the firemen come to put the fire out? No. Oh yes, they come. But only up to there.
Maybe they found out you never even once bought a cedula. Oh, Torio, try to forget that.
If everything you had in the world went up the flame, I can't forget it.
Torio, why don't you move out of this cemetery?
Because we live here with the dead.
If the doctor does come, Torio, will take you to the hospital.
Free ward? Oh no. I was there once. Do you know how they treat you there? I won't go there again.
Oh my God, you should go to the hospital and not arguing with me here.
You're just like my wife, Carding. Can you imagine me dying with this tiny wound at this age and at this body?
We're never sure of our fate, Torio.
I'll be well and strong in a few days.
No, Torio.
It's all right.
I'm giving it up.
What? You're joking?
I'm not joking. I'm frightened.
Oh, so this wound scares you? Believe that?
Of course.
Nothing like that happened, so there's nothing to be scared.
It's so frightening.
Carding, you'll starve to death.
Oh, here come Marina. Where is the doctor?
Torio,
Where is she?
she couldn't come with me.
See, I told you so.
Why?
Well, no, not exactly. She wants to take Torio to the dispensary.
The doctor must be crazy.
Okay, I would really beg her.
Are you sure you tried, Marina?
Yes, I did.
Let's take him to the hospital.
But he hates hospital.
Hey, what are you two doing there? Whispering like two lovebirds?
Let's go down and get a jeep.
But we don't have money.
I'll take care of that. Torio, we're taking you to the hospital.
No, I don't.
It is for your own good, Torio. Listen to me. Torio!
Torio, please, listen to us.
So if you think I'm going to die, this could be our chance to find another man, Carding. For instance.
Torio, he's our friend.
Don't worry. I understand very well.
So, I'm mad, huh?
Torio, stop it.
Why? Are you ashamed to let others know that they have been supporting you all along?
What does he mean?
Don't listen to him, Marina.
I rubbed the dead around us.
What?
Yes. Why not?
Toyo, you didn't do that.
But I did.
Stop it! Oh, the poor sacred dead.
What's so sacred about them? I hate them.
You hate them?
Marina, stop listening to him.
One day. How about these dead people have this kind of houses? They have a mausoleo and it's colorful. How about my family? They live in a barong and there's a stone in the rooftop. What's the problem, Carding? How do we get money easily? I have an idea. Why do we steal a jewelry from these nichos? How? Of course, we broke their nichos and get their jewelry. But it's bad. Come on, Carding. If we cannot do this, we don't have money. Just think about it. And then, if we get a jewelry and sell it. See? So easy. And it's so fast. So, we get our jewelry now? Yes. Alright. We choose a nicho, mausoleum there. They are rich. Come on. I think I find someone. This one? Not family. This one? It's hard to get that one. Hey. So open. Oh, it's open. And look at that. Go. Come on. Out. Let's go, Arnie, and find some nicho. Forward. This is it. All the jewelry. All the jewelry. Alright, I get it.
One, 2, 3, go.
Be careful. Alright. Ah! Oh gosh, what happened? Got a bullshit. Look at this. I have a one. One day.
He must have seen you.
Take me if you can.
Toyo, what happened? Carding, help me!
Get some water, quick!
Toyo!
I'm okay. Where's Carding?
I'm still here.
You are mad at me, are you?
No, I'm not, Toyo. Don't try to talk. You need rest.
Yes. I feel tired. Wake me up. When she's ready to leave Marina.
Yes, Toyo. Toyo, wake up! Wake up! It was so sudden.
At least he is now at peace.
How can he ever have peace? The dead not let him alone.
No, Marina. They will understand him. No, I'm not Oreo. Don't try to talk. You need rest.
Yes, I feel tired. Wake me up when he's all ready to leave Marina.
Yes, Oreo. He must have seen you.
Who?
It was God.
Take me if you can.
Oreo, what happened?
Akala ko kukuha.